In this video, we can talk about top 5 Let's Enhance alternatives and competitors. Hey, we are more than happy to have you back on our Alternative Code channel. Today, we're about to cover the best alternatives to Let's Enhance, an image editing tool. Now you can say goodbye to dull and lifeless photos as we introduce you to top 5 alternatives of Let's Enhance, which are Fotor, Pixlr, HitPaw, Befunky, and Autoenhance. From easy-peasy enhancements to mind-blowing transformations, these alternatives have got you covered. Let's dive right in and discover your new favorite photo editing buddy. Our first alternative is Fotor. Whether you're a beginner or a professional photographer, Fotor provides intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. It offers features like Cloud Album, Chrome Extension, PNG Maker, and Face Editor. With its intuitive interface and easy-to-use editing tools, Fotor caters to both beginners and experienced photographers alike. And one of its standout features lies in its HDR technology, which enables you to create stunning images with enhanced details and vibrant colors. Our second alternative in our list is Pixlr. Pixlr stands out as a powerful online photo editing tool that excels in both functionality and user-friendliness. It offers features like design templates, animations, filters and effects, and digital inking. From basic edits like cropping and resizing to advanced adjustments of colors and tones, Pixlr covers it all. Notably, Pixlr's standout feature lies in its advanced layering functionality, enabling users to have precise control over the editing process and create intricate compositions. Next up is HitPaw. HitPaw proves to be versatile editing software that caters to the diverse needs of both video and image editing enthusiasts. It offers features like Video Converter, Photo Enhancer, Video Enhancer, and Photo Object Remover. Video editing becomes a breeze as HitPaw allows users to effortlessly trim, merge, and adjust video clips, all while offering an extensive range of effects and filters to enhance visual quality. One of the standout features of HitPaw is its AI-powered background remover that truly elevates HitPaw's capabilities. Fourth alternative on our list is Befunky. Befunky emerges as a powerful online photo editing tool that strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and advanced features. It offers features like Photo Enhancer, AI Photo Transformation, and Object Remover. From basic adjustments like tweaking colors and tones to applying filters, overlays, and creative effects, Befunky offers an impressive toolkit. However, one of the standout features of Befunky is its vast collection of graphic design templates that help to create visually stunning designs for various purposes. Last but not the least, we have Autoenhance. Autoenhance is an intuitive tool that analyzes your images and automatically applies adjustments to enhance the overall quality and appeal. It comes with features like image relighting, perspective correction, lens correction, and HDR merge. With Autoenhance, you can transform ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art without the need for complex manual editing. The standout feature of Autoenhance is its focus on producing realistic outputs, giving auto privacy option. Compared to Let's Enhance, Fotor's extensive collection of filters and effects allows for a wide range of creative options, giving you more artistic control. Pixlr provides support for layers, allowing you to work on different elements of an image independently, thereby providing more advanced editing options. HitPaw offers intuitive object removal capabilities, allowing you to effortlessly erase unwanted elements from your photos. Befunky's extensive collection of customizable textures and frames allows for personalized and unique compositions, adding an extra level of creativity. And Autoenhance's automatic photo enhancement algorithms allow for quick and effortless improvement of images with a single click, providing a more streamlined experience. After considering these 5 alternatives to Let's Enhance, we would recommend Pixlr as the best option. Its seamless integration with cloud storage platforms allows for convenient access to images from anywhere, making editing workflows flexible and efficient. And what actually sets Pixlr apart is its support for layers, providing advanced editing capabilities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, Pixlr provides a platform that is easy to navigate and understand. As we reach the end of our video, after going through the top alternatives of Let's Enhance, we hope you've been inspired to explore your creative potential. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.